Hello, my name is Nidhi. I'm from Srinivas Institute of Technology, branch AIDS first year. This is a presentation based on innovative ideas. It has five stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. My startup company name is Radiant, product present name is Sandal, and product proposed name is Food Freedom. First is empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, fabric or leather application. Second one, UV reflective coating or materials that help minimize heat absorption from direct sunlight, keeping your feet cooler. Third one, add fitness tracker to take reading of heart pulse, blood pressure, footsteps, etc. and automatically saved in a drive. Second stage, defining stage. Based on the empathizing stage, the and considering the feeling and requirement of the customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is Sandal and futuristic product name is Food Freedom. Third stage is ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one, so sustainable and recyclable material to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Second one, offer customizable elements like interchangeable strap or insole for personalized style and comfort. Third one, utilizing lightweight material to enhance comfort without sacrificing durability. Fourth one, integrate fashionable designs, colors, and embellishment to appeal to style conscious consumers. Fourth stage, prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to the time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing stage. It's a final stage. I request the viewer of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.